Question here, measures of angles of a triangle are in AP. The measure of smallest angle is 5 times of common difference. Find the measures of all angles of a triangle. Now, measures of angles are in AP. Measures of angles of a triangle are in AP means common difference should be same. Common difference between consecutive terms that should be same. Therefore, first we write here measure of measure of smallest angle of a triangle is equal to a degree. Therefore, measure of second angle measure of second angle is equal to a plus d degree, because common difference should be same. Therefore, measure of third angle is equal to a plus 2d degree. Okay, this way first we write measures of first or smallest angle, then second, third, because every triangle has three angles, and therefore we write this way. Now here we have given, what is given here, the measure of smallest angle is 5 times of common difference. 5 times of common difference means what? Measure of smallest angle is equal to 5 times common difference that is represented by letter D, so 5 into D. Therefore, measure of smallest angle is A or a degree, but simply write here A is equal to 5D. This is very very important. Now every triangle has three angles, and therefore we write here n is equal to 3. Number of angles is equal to 3, and sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we write 180 degree, S3 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, by using formula for sum means Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket, Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here value of n we put here. Immediately here we write S3 is equal to 3 upon 2 value of n bracket 3 upon 2 bracket 2 into value of a 5d plus value of n 3 minus 1 into d. This is our next step. Then we put values of, look at this here, value S3, what is 180, don't write degree here, only write 180 is equal to 3 upon 2 bracket 2 into 5 10 into d plus 3 minus 1 2 and this d. Okay, therefore we take this denominator to the left side, denominator becomes numerator and numerator 3 becomes denominator, is equal to 10d plus 2d, that is 12d. Here 3 6 18 and this 0. So we write here 120 60 into 2. 120 is equal to 12D. Therefore, here 120 upon 12 is equal to D. So we divide here 12 ones are 12 ones are and this 0. Therefore, D is equal to therefore D is equal to 10. Now from this we will find measures of angles of a triangle. Now look here. Here measure of smallest angle. Short I will write here measure of smallest angle is equal to smallest angle is equal to a degree. Therefore, A, look at this, A is equal to 5 into D is equal to 5 into 10 is equal to 50 degree. This is the measure of smallest angle. Therefore, we will find measure of second angle is equal to what is A plus D degree is equal to we write value of A first plus value of D means 10 50 plus 10 that is 60 degree. Similarly, measure of third angle we will write here that is A plus 2D is equal to we write here 50 plus we write here 50 plus look at this 50 plus 2 into 10. Therefore, 50 plus 2 into 10 20 is equal to 70 degree. Means this way we will find out the measures of angles of a triangle. This is our final answer.